Hi guys, today I'm going to review quite interesting product I found. So this is Nanoleaf Aurora. So it's made by company Nanoleaf. It's called Aurora Smarter Kit actually. So what is this? This is RGB W LED panel, full spectrum. It says in specs it says 16 million colors. It's Wi-Fi device. IoT, so it contains those several panels, 9 panels in the kit, and a controller. It's powered from the power outlet. It's compatible with iOS, Android, and Amazon Alexa and IFTT. I think IFTT is still in development. You can control this thing from your Android or iOS device. Also, it's capable of supporting up to 30 panels. 9 panel is come with it in the kit, so I guess number of panels is pretty much limited by the power rating of the power supply, I assume, because this thing has the wire and then powered from the power plug from the outlet. And what's cool about the thing, at least from what I gathered from the box, panels can individually change colors. You can control everything from the phone. Also, you can do different animations, as it says here. It also voice activated, but I assume this is should be supported via the phone. It will be amazing if this thing has some sort of microphone, but yeah, it's still a question, and we can take a look together what this thing can do. All right, so here's the box. It's a pretty hefty box. It's weighed probably 2.5 kilos or something. Here is the back of the box. As you can see from here, this is how this Nanoleaf Aurora looks into different interiors. You can create different configuration of light, like here, and you can control them via your phone. And this is example of the application running on, I assume, some sort of iPhone. Is there a little explanation how it's actually interconnected? Pretty cool. So let's take a look inside. Oh, by the way, here it says what it contains. So it contains 9 panels. 9 little linkers, so I understand that each panel linked together via those linkers, some sort of tabs. A controller mounted. Oh, it mounted on a wall. It mounted to be mounted on a wall via this mounting tape. So I assume this is like a double-side sticky tape from 3M or so, and 1 power supply. Interesting. All right. So let's open it. Oh, it's not easy to open. Okay, that's better. Put this to the side. Nanoleaf, smarter by design. Wow. All right. So what we have here is some sort of pretty basic documentation. I'm kind of surprised. It's a fancy product. Has this pretty simple little piece of paper, 8 pages or so of pretty. I guess it's pretty basic documentation. There's some kind of pairing code over here. I assume this is to connect this device to Wi-Fi or via Wi-Fi. All right, we'll put it to the side now. So here are those panels. Guess. Okay, it's not easy to pull. Okay, well, I guess we'll go this way, this side. Okay, so those are 9 panels. Interesting. So Those are the I guess this is where the top connectors go, or linkers, how it says in documentation. Okay, here's the panel. Pretty nice. So it's triangular shape panel with matte surface, and I don't know where actually LEDs are. I cannot really tell. I assume over here in those corners. I cannot see anything from any angle, so I guess this is just filled in with that matte substance or some kind of epoxy or whatever. Possibly. So we have 9 of panels like this. Also we have 2 boxes. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, I see. Okay, this is box number 1. Power cord. Okay, this is controller. Who is the top or linker? What's that? Okay, I see the bunch of tapes and linkers or okay. This will need tapes. Probably we won't need right now. Okay, this box I assume it's a power supply because it's pretty heavy or heavier than the previous one. Power supply is here. So what kind of power supply is this? It's Nanoleaf branded power supply. 24 volt, 2.71 amps. It is center positive power supply. It's universal, 100 volt to 40 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. So it looks like everything is white and nice looking. So yeah, let's try to connect one or connect several of them and see how it works. Okay, let's move it. Okay, I'll take the stops over here. So yeah, those things are triangular design, so theoretically you can make several different shapes using triangle, but I don't think you would be able to do anything square. Yeah, so okay, well, it's like a little Lego or something. You just, put them together. Not much work, looks like. Yeah, it looks like I would be able to fit only like 6 of them on my bench over here. But that's all right. Is there some kind of dirt? Pretty cool. So first of all, I can say that the panels stay not really securely or not secured with each other, so that's why I have to use those mounting tapes. So yeah, I have actually quite a bit of a reservation using the mounting tapes, because imagine you want to move it, imagine you try to readjust your whatever the shape of your light, so every time I have to like peel those off, and I'm not sure how nicely they're gonna peel off the wall without damaging wall. But I'll give it a try. We'll see how it performs, this kind of tape. And I'm not sure if this is that's enough to actually securely hold this panel or each individual panel on the wall. You probably need like 3 of them in each corner, I assume, but for now this is to be seen how it performs. Okay, let's move the panel into the view. All right, and try to connect it. So I have the controller here. It will go in here, what else? There's a power supply and a power cord. I guess so. I'll have to unwrap this. I'll unwrap this quickly. You have to find power plug. Oh wow, okay. Ooh. It works. Alright, so out of the box this thing works. I'm not sure what can it do, but as of right now there are two buttons here. I assume this is power, looks like power, but does nothing. Interesting. Well, I maybe have to read some manual, but hey, who reads manual? We love pressing buttons. Okay, well, I may read quickly the manual just for the sake of the video review. Well, it doesn't really say much. There's a panel configurations. So this manual doesn't really say much. It's just a panel. How do you get started? Plug it in. You complete us. Fantastic taste, yeah. Lots of warnings and different configuration of the panels. 9, 12, okay. All right. So let me just play with this thing. Oh, start doing something. Okay, it's reacting, it's changing colors when I press this button, the caret button. I think it has some kind of pre-programmed pre-programmed program and animation and colors for each individual panel inside the controller out of the box. It doesn't look like it's pretty bright, so I'm thinking, what if I try to turn off the lights here and see how bright it is? Okay, that looks better. It just keeps animating. It's relatively bright. Well, camera auto exposure, I guess, doesn't really give a chance to really judge the brightness. But I might actually run create another video when I actually show this thing in the interior of the room, and it's probably will be possible to judge the brightness, overall brightness of the kit of this product. Pretty cool. So what would be the next step? I guess try to control it with the phone. So I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy S4 for this. I don't have any iOS devices to try. So I will be searching for Nanoleaf. So here's the application. I will install it quickly. I already searched for Nanoleaf and just to make sure that the application is available. So quickly install the application. Yeah, it'll take some time. You can see some photos how application would look like. Interesting. You can edit, I guess, different configurations and different colors, to set different colors. All right, let's open it. So we have to figure out how to connect this thing. All right, so get started. Oh, I have to log in. Well, I'll have to create some sort of account. Oh, I'm so lazy creating account. Okay, I'll use my Facebook account here. Okay, authenticated. Okay, home 1. Okay, home 1, continue. Okay, so here are different devices. As I understand, this some sort of on the top here, some sort of smart lights, and here is Aurora and nothing else. So I hit Aurora. Nanoleaf Aurora 50351C. Searching. Okay. So I will be using one of my network. Like, I guess first one is fine. Next, password. Okay. So we are going through the setup procedure in order to set up Aurora with my Wi-Fi network. So I understand right now the phone or application will be connecting directly to Aurora, providing all this necessary information to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Error connecting Aurora. Interesting. Let's try again. So after some trial and error, it's actually failed to connect to the first time. I had to disconnect power from the Aurora and just essentially reboot it. And then I try it again, and now it showed up me that screen. I had to edit out all this poking around and fiddling with the phone in order to connect the Aurora. So that's kind of a little bit negative here, that procedure of connecting is not that seamless. I'm gonna type in that code, so I understand that was provided on a little piece of paper. Okay. So that, are we good? Yeah, this is the connection procedure. Let's get started. Plug in your Nanoleaf Aurora. Okay. No, something doesn't work. Okay, I made a mistake. My bad. All right. Name my Aurora. I guess maybe I'm just too quick for this thing. Let's call this Aurora 1. Next. Okay. You're almost done. Palettes. Oh, this thing supports palettes. Palettes provide you with a set of colors to use in your Aurora. Nice. This is where you control your Aurora. Oh, we'll play with this. That's where Aurora effects live. Okay, nice. We'll place this too. And when you control different devices, as I understand. Done. We are all ready. Okay, so I have my Aurora. What can I do? I can control brightness. I can click on it. Oh, if I click on it, it shuts down. Okay. Oh, cool. Nice. Oh, so those are palettes and effects, as I understand. Okay. So here I can edit different effects. Colors. Let's pick this. Oh, nice, very nice. So as I understand, the application is very pretty full featured, so probably we won't be going through all application feature in this video, because that's, I think, a lot to cover, and I'll be covered in maybe some other videos, but what I can say here, you can pick different colors, brightness, different effects over here. I'm not sure how to do different animations, like speed. Yeah, I have to obviously take a look what those means, but what's most important here that you can control your Aurora from your phone, and you can create different animation. As I understand, create your own. What is this? Oh my god, you can schedule stuff. So this thing allows you to schedule different animation. Schedule let you run scenes automatically. Click the plus button to add your own. Your schedules are stored in this device, not the hub or Aurora. Very interesting. So we can actually do different schedules. For example, start different animations. Use this like a, I don't know, alarm essentially. Start, for example, some sort of lightning or lighting show in the morning. Very nice. So far, I'm pleased with this device, but I just want to say one thing. This thing is fairly expensive. It costs 250 Canadian dollars, and I bought it in Best Buy. So far I like it, but I still have to think if I really need it and how I'm gonna use it. It's nice and cool looking product, but I think it's a bit pricey for what it is. We'll see. Maybe I have to come up with some creative use of this. It would be very cool if this would be used as a musical light, so it will be changing to the beats of music. It'll be, can have pretty nice use during parties, and yeah, I don't know what else I would use it for. Just some kind of ambient lighting in my house nearby the fireplace, or to use in the bedroom, for example, as a light alarm. There's that's an interesting feature. Well, so far I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.